Minecraft Real Life Edition. The tutorial. What should I do? I'm really confused and I don't know what to do. Wait, I think I know. So, hi, I'm gonna do what I was thinking of. You just watch and you'll see. Minutes later.